this is Tim from DualShock Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation Error Code CE-36329-3 when there is an error with the system software on your PS4. So we can see if there is an update for the system software under here. So let's go on down to where it says Settings, and then go to System, and then go to where it says Automatic Updates. And we can just make sure this is turned on for system software file updates. And if we do get a system software update, it should restart it automatically and update that for you. But we can go back out and go up to the top. There's a specific section under here just for the update. So let's go to system software update. And I got nothing in here, but we can still prompt an update by going to power and then go to turn off PS4. And completely turn this off, and we're going to launch this into the safe mode menu. And there's two things that we want to do under here. So let's go on down to my PS4 now and wait for this light to stop blinking. Now plug in your controller with a USB cable just like this, and then we should be able to operate the safe mode menu. So this light should stop blinking here in a few blinks, and then hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear a second beep like 10 seconds later. And then let go and go back up to your PS4, where you can see it's going to say press the power button, or press the PlayStation button on the controller now to operate the safe mode menu. Okay. Now go on down to option number 3. This is update system software. So this will allow you to apply a fresh copy using the internet. So if you are having an error with your system software, you can apply a fresh copy right here. And then you should be good to go. But you also want to go back after doing this, go back to the safe mode and go to option number 5, rebuild database. So if you have any kind of corrupted data on your hard drive, maybe that's causing crashing and whatnot, you can try just doing this right here. And this should fix your issue as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on DualShock Studios.